Do you guys know that a recruiter spends almost 7.4 seconds on an average on a resume for scanning it? Well, yes, less than 8 seconds to decide whether you're going to get shortlisted or rejected. And the harsh truth is, over 75% of the resumes, they're not able to reach any human scanning because of the ATS bots and ATS filters. So, if you're a fresher and looking for your first job, let me tell you that your resume is not just a piece of paper, it is your ticket to the future. So, guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you the step by step process how you can build a resume, which is not only going to beat the ATS filtering but will definitely get attention of the recruiters. So, watch the video till the end. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Get Job Ready. My name is Kalrav and I help students and job seekers to unlock the better career opportunities. Guys, today's video is going to be a game changer because we're going to deep dive in number one, the structure of a fresher's resume that is being loved by thousands of recruiters. Number two, the words and phrases that make you stand out. And number three, real data on what hiring managers look for in resumes. Alright guys, so let's address what are the big mistakes that are being done by the freshers while creating the resume. There are three deadly mistakes I'm going to talk about. Number one is overloading your resume with unnecessary information. So, guys, information like your full address, your father's name, or maybe your irrelevant hobbies. Try to avoid writing all these overloading content into your resume. Number two is making very long resume. Honestly, nobody is interested in reading a three-page resume of a fresher. So avoid making lengthy resumes. And guys, third deadly mistake is avoiding the ATS. So guys, ATS is applicant tracking system, and almost 98% of the Fortune 500 organizations, they use ATS filters for screening the resumes. So if your resume is not ATS friendly, it won't be even seen. It might get lost in the pool of thousands of resumes. So the first step in creating the best fresher resume is to think smart. Keep it simple, clear and powerful. So guys, let's talk about the structure of the resume, which is the gold mine for the freshers. If your resume is well structured, it will be eye-catching for most of the recruiters. It will grab their attention and there are high chances that you get shortlisted. So guys, first thing first, we're going to write the header on top of the page, and your header will include your full name, your professional email address, your contact number, and most importantly, your LinkedIn profile name. You can avoid writing your home address, that's outdated. Instead of that, you can write your preferred location of job. Alright, then below the header, write your career objective. Make sure that your career objective is short, crisp, and precise. Do not write very lengthy or very cheesy career objectives that might sound fake and recruiter might lose interest in reading your resume further. Next section of your resume is your education. Write your education on the top, the name of the degree or certification that you have done. Then below that, write down the name of the institution or college that you have attended that program into. Write the year of passing and your percentage or CGPA. So guys, the next section is projects, which is the most important section over the resume. Almost 65% of the resumes, they get shortlisted on the basis of the projects that freshers have mentioned on the resume. So make sure that you're mentioning the projects that you have done. It can be a research project, it can be an app that you might have developed, it can be the website, it can be anything around that. Make sure that you're writing all the details about the projects that you have done in that particular section. So guys, the next part on the resume is the internships. Make sure that you're writing all the internships that you have done so far in all the offices, organizations. Make sure that you're writing the duration, like from when till when you have done the internships. Even if that's an unpaid internship, do mention that because it gives a proof that you have the exposure. Alright, guys, the next part of the resume is your skills, and that's again a very important part. So make sure that you're reading the job description properly, pick up the keywords from the job descriptions, for example, data analytics or MS Excel or any kind of designing, UI, UX, whatever it is. Make sure that you're picking up those keywords and writing that as the skills in the skills section of your resume. Guys, after skills comes the certifications. Make sure that you're writing all the certifications that you have done so far. Even if that's free certifications, make sure that you write it in the resume. You can write the certifications from any platform. It can be from Google, it can be from LinkedIn, Coursera, wherever you've done it from. Whatever you have done, write it down in the certifications section. Guys, the next and the last section of your resume is your extracurricular or the achievements section. So here you can write if you have achieved something like some sort of a recognition during a project, or if you have been a winner of some of the hackathon, something around that. You can write it in your achievement section. Or in extracurricular, you can write things that you do in life otherwise apart from the professional stuff. You can write things about your hobbies, or maybe if you're into fitness or trekking or music, whatever, you can write it down in the section called achievements in extracurriculars. So guys, here's the most important tip for you. While you are structuring your resume, while you're writing down all these sections, make sure that you're not exceeding more than one page. All this information should be gathered together, crisp and precisely into a one-page resume. So guys, moving on to the next part of the video, which is how you can beat the ATS filter, which is also very important to get shortlisted from thousands of other resume. The tip for you is make sure that you're reading the job description thoroughly and understanding the key skills and the keywords from the job description and writing down exactly the same way in your resume. For example, data analytics with Python, you're writing the same thing. Don't just write Python in the skills section. Writing the complete keyword is going to help you to beat the ATS filters. Alright guys, now talking about the formatting of your resume, make sure that you're keeping the font somewhere around point 11 and 12. Keeping the professional fonts like Arial, Calibri or Times New Roman is going to help you. Do not add a lot of colors or pictures or lines into your resume. Make sure that your resume is readable so that somebody who's reading it for the first 6 to 7 seconds is going to understand that okay, this is the right serious candidate for us. Alright guys, so with this I'm going to tell you the most important hacks which is actually going to help you in getting the jobs after creating the fresher's resume. So hack number one is quantify wherever possible. For example, don't just mention that you have participated in the college fest. Instead of that, you can write you have led a team of 15 members to organize the college fest. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. Hack number two is have a customized resume for each job that you're applying to. Do not create a common resume to apply for hundreds of jobs. Do not do that. Always read the job description first, edit your resume, and then hit the apply button. And hack number three is you're reading the resume word by word. Make sure you're checking all the spellings on the resume. Even a single spelling mistake can ruin the entire first impression, and you just can't afford that. So guys, here it is. Now you have the ultimate guide how you can create the best resume for freshers which actually works. If you find this video interesting and useful, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel so that I get motivated to create more such insightful videos for all of you. And I wish you all the very best for your job search. Good luck.